mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 19, 2024, Friday Racing. Starting time, umpisa ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon. July 17 to 23 ay National Disability Rights Week. Sa araw ng Biyernes, meron tayong 8 races ang naka-line up sa nag-iisang Metro Turf Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Yung race 2, 4, 5, 6, 1,200 meter distance. Yung 1, 3, 7, 8 na race ay may distansyang 1,400. Race number 1, First Choice. Number 7, Sunny Nature. Second choice, number 8, Cat Bite. Race 2, first choice, number 2, Munich. Second choice, number 3, Primero Soldado. Race 3. Sa akin, muli kong bibigyan ng consideration itong ating only choice, number 10, Sundance. Dahil Cambio Jinete, Storke. At this time, ang distansya ay 1,400. Last time out na dalawang takbo, segundo. Pero yun ay 1,200 kay Tawi-Tawi at kay Real Equity. Ulitin ko, maybe this time. Number 10, only choice, Sundance. Race 4. Ang ating cool first choice, number 6, Amiable Maxine. Second choice, number 3, Queen Gabi. Third choice, number 7, Polite Bell. Race 5. Ang ating cool first choice, number 5, Iyasaki. Second choice, number 4, Basket of Gold. Race number 6. Ang ating cool first choice, number 3, Rancheros. Second choice, coupled entry, number 1, Janchi. 1A, Great Angie. Race 7. Race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 7, Dugong Bughaw. Second choice, number 3, Sirsia. Third choice, number 10, Maki Boy. Race 8, last race, race na may Super 6. Ang ating cool first choice, coupled entry, number 1, Southern Man. 1A, Luke Skywalker. Second choice, number 8, High Society. Third choice, number 9, kabayo ni Sir JC, Doña Chichay. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!